Hello! In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how to build your first workflow in N8N. So first, you will have to log into your N8N workspace and then click New Workflow or Create Workflow. Then you will just have to wait for it to load. And once you're here, you will have to add a trigger node. Choose webhook if you would want to start the flow from a URL or manual trigger if testing. And once you click it, you will just configure the options, and then you will have to click save, which is right here. And after that, you will have to add a set node to define or modify values. Click the plus icon, and then what you will have to do is just choose set and click inside to add new fields like name, email, or custom variables. Then add another node for action. For example, add HTTP request if you're calling an API or send email if sending notifications. Link all nodes by dragging arrows between them and then click execute workflow to test. So you will just have to click this, and then if it works, you will have to click activate, which is right here, and now your first automation is live. And that's basically it. Please make sure to like and subscribe if you found this video helpful.